Hey guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to do the parallel park the easy way. A lot of people when they do the parallel park, they do it the hard way. It's not the wrong way, but it's the harder way. I'll show you what I mean. So it's mainly about the steering that I'm going to show you, okay? So look around again and stop by the parallel with the car. I'll get straight into reverse so people behind me know what I'm doing. There is a van quite far away, but it's not in my circle yet. I'm just going to do my full checks. And then once people get to like around here, I'm gonna wait for this van to go past first because it's getting a bit close now. So make sure you're looking around as well when you're doing this maneuver. Anybody going past you, anybody gets into your circle, so form like a circle around you, you stop for them, let them go past first. So once most people get to like around here, they'll do a full lock to the left. It's not wrong by the way, but it's harder. I'll show you what I mean. So now they'll need to judge when to turn the other way. And this is where people go wrong. They'll either turn too late or too soon. So look around again. So if I turn too late now, which is around here, yeah, I'll end up on the pavement a little bit, yeah? Wait for that car to go past, check all around, and then when they try to straighten up again, they're already kind of touching the pavement. So this way, remember it's not wrong, but it's harder. It's harder to judge when to straighten up again. And sometimes it will end up too wide. I'm going to show you how to do the easy way, okay? So remember you have 2 car lengths to play with, so you don't need to end up really close to that car when you finish, which is what the other technique does. It allows you to get really close. You look all around again. I'm going to signal because there are pedestrians near me, let them know that I'm moving off. Yeah, so now watch the way I steer now. It's going to be a bit easier to judge when to turn. So I'm going to get into reverse straight away, look all around, make sure there's no one coming, and it looks good. Then I'll start reversing back slowly. And then once my front wheel is in line with this wheel of that car, I'll stop. So even if this car here outside was facing the other way, I'll just line it up with the wheel that's closest to this side, okay? So that I'm clearing the car. So I'm not trying to start turning when the cars are next to each other. I'm going back a bit first and then I'm gonna turn. So now I'll do my first turns. Remember the last time I done a full lock to the left, which made the car go to a really sharp angle. I'm not going to do a sharp turn like that. I'm going to do one turn to the left, 360. I'll show you what I mean once these people have gone past. I'm going to do one turn to the left, 160 turn to the left, which then makes it start going towards the curb. Wait for this guy to go past, checking all around. So I'm waiting for my car to be facing between 1 and 2 o'clock. So 12's over there, 1's over there, 2's there. Once it gets to like between 1 and 2, I'm going to stop again because that'll be my second turning point. So like there, now I'm going to do one turn to the right, another 360 turn. So check over my shoulders again. So one 360 turn, which makes the wheels straight now. I'm going to just reverse back really slowly, going towards the curb. And then once I get close enough to the curb, so now I can see that I'm quite close to the curb using the small mirror there. And if I use the big mirror as well, if I bring it down if I want to, I can see that I'm quite close to the curb now. So the front door handle is just touching the curb now, which means I'm in the right place to turn. You can use that as a reference point as well. So look around again, and then I'll do one turn to the right, just like that. Then it's gonna start going back slowly towards the curb, but it's going away a little bit as well, so that it's starting to straighten up. So now I'm just waiting for the car to straighten up, and then I'll do one more turn to the left, which will make the car straight. So like now, one more turn to the left, so the wheels are straight. So now I'm just gonna go back a tiny bit, and then I'll stop there because now I'm parked. Put my handbrake up, go into neutral, smoothly off the pedals, and it's that easy. So when you do it at a really sharp angle, so when you do a full lock, remember it's much harder to judge when to do the other turn as well, and sometimes you can get it wrong. It's very easy to get it wrong. But if you break it up into 3 steps, so one left turn when you're next to the car, one right turn when you're facing between 1 and 2 o'clock, and then another right turn when the curb and the door handle are touching, do one more right turn, and it's going to be nice and easy. So left, right, right, and then once you're straight, just do another left to straighten up, and it's done. So in my opinion, for most learners that I've taught, that one's much easier. There's no wrong or right way of doing it, as long as you get the car from that side next to the car to next to the pavement without being too wide when you finish, or without going onto the pavement. There's no wrong or right way of doing it. Just make sure you're looking around as you're doing it, stopping for anybody that's going past, like this car for instance. I would have waited if I was moving. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.